So friends, today we'll learn a trick to find out 1 by x making use of our routine calculator, which is not a scientific calculator. Okay, so let us say I wish to find out value of 1 upon 2. What would be the conventional way to go about it? 1 divided by 2 giving me 0.5. What would be, let's say, find out value of 1 divided by 3. That would be 1 divided by 3 is equal to 0.3333. Then let us find out what will be value of 1 divided by 4. It would be 1 divided by 4 giving me 0.25. Then let us find value of a little complex formula. Let's say 1 divided by root 5. That would be, first I need to find out root of 5. 5 under root gives me 2.236, and then what I'll do is I'll find out 1 divided by 2.236 giving me 0.447. Now if there were a little bigger expression, let's say like 1 divided by square root of 10 plus 5 square. So how would we do this conventionally? First we would find out 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. This gives me 25. Then I would add 10 to this, getting under root 35. Then I would find out under root of 35, which would be 5.916, and then I would go like 1 divided by 5.916. So final answer would be 0.169. So this is the conventional way we perform operation of 1 by x. Anything divided by, 1 divided by anything. This is the conventional way to do it. We press 1 and we divide whatever is the value. It could be 2.236, it could be 5.916, 432, whatever. Now we'll see a very easy trick to find all these values. How we do? I wish to find out 1 divided by 2. So what I'll do is I'll press 2 divide is equal to, and you can see we have our answer right there. Okay, next you wish to find out 1 divided by 3. So how will I do it? I'll just write the denominator, that is 3 divide is equal to, giving me 0.33333. Okay, next 1 divided by 4. How would we do is 4 divide is equal to, so I get 0.25. And last one is, let's say root 5, 1 divided by root 5. So this was a longer one for us. First we found out root of 5, which was 2.236. Then we divided 1 by 2.236, etc. and see the problem that we rounded off the remaining factor. Let us see how we'll do this with this new technique. First I need to find out under root of 5, which is 2.236, and this rounded off thing. Now what I'll do is divide is equal to, I directly get 0.447. Another one, this big expression. How will we do this? 5 multiplied by 5 is 5 square plus 10 is equal to under root 35. I find out under root 5.916. Now conventionally what I'll do is I'll write 5.916 over here and then divide 1 by 5.916. But now what I'll do with this new trick is this divide is equal to, you get your answer straight away. So this is the new trick wherein we can find out value of 1 by anything, 1 by x, simply by, let's say we find out another value of 1 by 99. How do we go about this? 99 divide is equal to, it will be 0.0101. Maybe if you wish to find out 1 divided by 3.27139, easy. 3.27139 divide is equal to, it would be 0.3056. So this new technique is very straightforward. When you need to perform this operation 1 divided by x, you simply do x divide is equal to. This is how we work it out in calculator. This is the operation that we performed and this is what we type in calculator. Thanks for watching and please do not forget to subscribe for updates. Bye bye.